Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to show Telegram group all members. So for this, first of all, you have to open up the Telegram application in your mobile and then come into the chat section. When you are here, just scroll down a little bit to find a group. Let it be that one. This is actually mine test group. And on a group, it doesn't matter if it's yours or it's not, you can always see a list of all members, and if you need you can write to any person in private message if they are open, of course. And to be able to do that, just hit right here at the very top, add group names, and it immediately shows you all the members. So you can scroll down through that member list, and if you want to open up someone's profile and if you want to write to someone, you can just hit on this name and then simply tap on this chat icon, and in that way you can communicate with any group member. So there is another way how you can find group members. If the group is quite big and the member list is huge, you can tap on these three dots and tap on this search members, and now you can search the name of that person you want to search for, and it will show you the results, and from there you can open up their profile, and then in the same way you can go to conversation with that user. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.